Hey guys, a real super quick video, handheld, I apologize. I want to show you what the J-38 key looks like after I've got it cleaned up. So I took it all apart. It's fairly straightforward mechanism to take apart. And hit it with a rag and a toothbrush and some brass cleaner, and that got it okay. And then I had the epiphany of putting it in my brass cleaner I use for cleaning shell brass, and that got it a whole lot better looking. I mean, you can still tell that it's World War II vintage. It's old, but it looks a lot better than it did, and I'll roll in a before and after picture. Alright, in any case, that's all I have for you guys right now. Have a good one, 73.